In this video, I'm going to share 3 of my favourite books that have really made an impact to my freelance business. And I'm going to create more videos like this in future, so if this is the type of thing that is for you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm Laura Bean and this is Creative Little World. So I've chosen these 3 books because I think they'll really make a difference to your approach to freelancing. So first up, we've got Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert. So you may recognise the name Elizabeth Gilbert as the author of the book Eat, Pray, Love, which was also turned into a film starring Julia Roberts. Her book Big Magic shares her experiences as an author working and building a career in the creative industry. I listened to the audio version of this book and it really spoke to my creative side. It's actually creativity that quite often drives us to become freelance in the first place. But what holds a lot of freelancers back is fear. In this book, Gilbert talks a lot about living a more creative and interesting life and not letting fear be a factor. Personally, I think some of the stories she's woven into this book are a little bit stretched around the point, but on the whole, there are some real gems here that I believe could really help a freelancer push through the fears that are holding them back. I've certainly felt it has helped me in my freelance business. You'll find a link to Big Magic below in the description if you'd like to check it out. So next up is Atomic Habits by James Clear. Again, I listened to the audio version of this book, which talks about forming small habits that have a big impact on our lives. I guarantee if you ask the question out there, has anyone got any book recommendations? This will come up a lot. Now, I've chosen this one to share with you because I think as a freelancer, it really helps us to get into good habits. This could be around your work ethic, your discipline, and your mental health, your physical health, self-care. All these things are really vital when you're running a freelance business. What I love about this book is how James Clear has explained the formation and science behind habits. And the real game changer in this book is the practical techniques he gives us around habit stacking and habit tracking. So if you're looking for personal growth or you want to be more productive, you wish you had healthier habits, then this book is a must read for you. You'll basically learn how to take the habits that you wish you had and turn them into something you do regularly. Again, you'll find the link to this book in the description below. Okay, number 3 is one of my all-time favourite books for my freelance business. I actually have the hardback version of this book and I have listened to it on audio. They Ask, You Answer is Marcus Sheridan's gift to business owners. I've seen Sheridan speak twice at conventions and he is brilliant. He is so engaging. He has a fabulous storytelling method that really gets you engaged with the content that he's sharing. So why do I think this book is a must for your freelance business? Well, you've no doubt heard everybody say it's all about content. Content is king. Content, content, content. And as a freelancer trying to promote yourself, you should be all about the content. Whether it's video or blogs or social media, you want to be producing content that stands you out above everybody else. The simple principle behind They Ask, You Answer is to produce content that answers the questions that your audience are asking. Sounds simple, right? Well, what Sheridan does in this book, he dives even deeper into that and he gives you 5 topics to create those questions and answers around. Once you've got those 5 topics in place, it is so much easier to produce content. You'll have ideas coming left, right and centre. In fact, I love the principles in this book so much, I implement them for my clients. So for example, my blog writing services include research into finding out what my clients' audience are asking. Once we know the questions that they're searching for, I write content based around this. So the content that they're putting out in the world answers the questions their audience are asking. So what does that mean? It means when their audience are asking those questions, my clients are the ones that are going to pop up with the answers. This helps promote them as a trusted and knowledgeable source, an expert in the industry, and it helps build trust and a relationship with their audience. And this works for both clients and myself. So I really recommend this book for your freelance business. Again, there's a link in the description. If nothing else, you need to hear the story of how Marcus Sheridan went from pool guy to marketing genius. you'll find links to all the books I've mentioned in the description below. I've also added a link to my full reading list of suggested books for freelancers. You'll find over 40 books that are recommended by myself and other well-established freelancers. They're broken down into categories, so they're going to support every corner of your life and freelance business. It's completely free, so go ahead and grab that below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'll be back again soon with some more must read. I'll see you soon.